Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add light in Autodesk 3ds Max. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and add in standard lights right here for this video. So go ahead and go to add lights right here. You can go ahead and use standard or Arnold or even V-Ray if you want to. So I'm just going to use Omni and I'm going to click on a spot, for example, this one. And after that, you got to use the move tool, just like so. So if you can't see the lights, you go ahead over to standard right here, click on lighting and shadows, and then illuminate with scene lights. Okay. As you can see here, you just move it away, just like so. Move it away. That's it. All right. Now when you go ahead and go to modifiers right here, you're going to then go ahead and change some parameters. For example, the V-Ray shadows, ray traced shadows, the atmosphere, add in some more if you want to. Or if you want to, the light type right here, you can go ahead and change this one to spot or even directional. Okay. Let's just go ahead and leave it to Omni for now. You could also turn or turn off shadows, okay, if you must. So let's just go ahead and find maybe the multiplier. Right here. Intensity color attenuation. Okay. Drag it up. If you want it brighter, drag it down. If you want it darker. All right. And you have a ton of options here as well. But that's just basically it. That is how you add light here in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.